When you have a dream, that dream will always be tested. The pressure in your life right now has a purpose. It's not crushing you. It's pushing what's on the inside of you out. It shows you who you really are.
The gang's in this bitch, nigga.
Damn. Huh.
It's Jelly Gang.
Man, it's Silent Killer in this bitch, you already know it's gang. Yeah. Man, gang, tell him what to do, bro. Spit that shit.
Why finesse keep talking on my name like what? Every time he see the gun, he wanna run. He talking on the net, talking about he be outside. But when I come outside, he ain't there. So what's the point of fuck? Like I'm tired of finesse. Speaking of my name like who's finesse? I never heard of him. Smoking no finesse pack. Oh man, that's a good pack. I'ma sell it, have everybody smoking on your ass. Like 6 times, hold on, wait, 11 times, hold on, wait, 12 times, hold on, wait, 100 times. It's a smoke section. It's a smoke section. It's a smoke section. It's a smoke section. Smoke section. And you know he got finesse back. Every time I hear his name, I wanna slap him in the face. Like I had to make it with OG Killer. Like I had to make it with Hitman. Hitman, go.
Riding to 17, now you know you wrong. Keep speaking on me and Puma, your body gon' be heaven seen. Like a quarantine, you really wanna smoke. They try to take Hitman off, kinda like a joke. And I got your Eddie, I'll drop your daddy. Probably smoke a new pack by the name of Maddie. Your girl a minor, what my girl find her. Talk about you wanna eat a girl like a diner.
That finesse, yeah, we smoking on your pack, yeah, we already know we doing this shit, yeah, bust down a roller, yeah, very sitting on live, yeah, got diamonds in my ears, yeah, you already know, yeah, gang in this shit, yeah, man, putting that smoking in your pack, yeah, bro, better lay down, yeah, nigga gotta get a pack, yeah, hold on, wait, yeah, finesse, you a bitch, yeah, hold on, wait, my niggas dissing you, yeah, you already know, yeah, you gay faggot, yeah, man, get out here, yeah, you like Donnie bitches, yeah, look like a stop sign, holy shit, yeah, damn, look like a user's tampons, what the fuck, hold on, wait, bloody on the floor, yeah, brain on the pavement, yeah, bitch, hold on, wait a minute, lay low down, yeah, nigga hit him in his chest, yeah, make him heart pump, yeah, you already know, yeah, man, we pulling up with the gang, yeah, we don't give a fuck, yeah, got that strap on my lap, yeah, with that pink cut him in the, yeah, you already know, yeah, hold on, wait, gang in this shit, yeah, gang in this shit, yeah.
Boy, you so ugly. When you went to the haunted house, you came out with a job application, ugly old head.